Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Semrush for SEO competitor analysis and audits, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your subscription to Semrush, visit the official Semrush website. Once on the homepage, look for the sign up or try for free button. Click on that button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration page where you can choose to sign up with either your email address or connect through a social media account. If you opt for email registration, fill in your email address and create a secure password. After entering your details, click on the Create My Account button. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox and follow the link to verify your account. Once verified, log in using your email address and the password you created. Now, locate the subscription options available on your dashboard. You'll see various plans tailored for different needs, including the Pro, Guru, and Business plans. Review the features included in each subscription tier to determine which aligns with your SEO goals. You will be prompted to enter your payment information, including credit card details or other payment methods. After entering your payment information, review the order summary for accuracy. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Return to your Semrush dashboard to explore the tools available for SEO competitor analysis and audits. Familiarize yourself with the. You can start by entering your domain or a competitor's domain into the search bar to begin your analysis. Take advantage of the tutorials and resources available on Semrush to maximize your subscription. With your Semrush account fully set up, you are ready to dive into competitive SEO analysis and audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.